Hello everyone. Are you planning to move your website from Wix to Hostinger in 2025? Today I will guide you through the process to ensure a smooth transition. So now let's get started. So begin by manually copying your website's content from Wix. Unfortunately, Wix doesn't provide a direct export feature, so you'll need to save your text, images, and other media files to your computer. Next, sign up for a hosting plan with Hostinger. Once your account is active, use Hostinger's control panel to install WordPress, which will serve as your new website platform. With WordPress installed, recreate your website by importing the content you saved from Wix. So utilize WordPress themes and plugins to match your site's design and functionality. Now, if you have a custom domain with Wix, you will need to point it to Hostinger. Since Wix doesn't allow changing name servers, you will have to update the DNS, a record to point to hosting your server IP address. Now, before you making your new site live, thoroughly test it to ensure all links, images, and features work correctly. This step is crucial to provide a seamless experience for your visitors. Now that's it. You have successfully transferred your website from Wix to Hostinger. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.